We've finished our concept board and we've covered some of the basic tools inside of Photoshop. Photoshop isn't a software you can learn overnight. You'll need to keep experimenting with the skills shown in this tutorial series, as well as new skills going forward. We've got one more area to look at for this final video, and that's exporting our concept board. The easiest way to export our final piece is to head to File, and then Save as Copy, save to our computer, and a pop-up will open. This pop-up will already be navigated to the same location our document is saved. If we click the Save as Type drop-down, we get some more image type options to choose from. In that list you will see two that we have discussed previously, JPEG, and further down, PNG. For this video we're going to select PNG, and name our file Concept Board. We then get a few PNG saving options. This is to set the quality of the output. To get the best quality, we will select the largest file size. Now our image will export, and you'll be able to find it in your computer's File Explorer. There are a few other ways to export images in Photoshop by using the File Export tab. We have Quick Export as PNG and Export As. These give you a few more options when exporting, like adding metadata and resampling the output image. I very rarely use these methods and recommend using the Save as Copy when exporting your images. Now you have the skills to create concept boards on Photoshop, you can try and use your own inspirational images and favourite colour schemes to create one from scratch. Don't forget to share them with us on Instagram, just tag us at the National Design Academy or use hashtag MyNDADay. If this tutorial makes you want to learn more about interior design, you'll find lots of resources including courses in interior design, garden design and software skills over on our website. You'll also find more SkillsLab videos to help you enhance your digital and practical skills.